Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia, and if today is the first time here, you are welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can go check them out after this very video. Thanks for joining, guys. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys. Today guys, we're going to be doing a very easy smoking makeup look. That's very look. And yeah, if you want to see how I shape this, you definitely want to keep watching. So today guys, we're going to be concentrating on the shadow, and I'm using the palette from Revolution London, the Patricia eyeshadow palette, and I'm going with the shade Superwoman. It's a pink color, and I'm going to be applying that on my crease in a circular motion. And I'm gonna go again with the shade Irreplaceable. It's a brown color, and I'm gonna be applying that on my eyelid, and then I'm in a circular motion just like this. So I'm gonna be blending it properly to my crease to give me that smoking look. Yeah. And now I'll go ahead and apply my mascara from Revolution. So I'm just going to go again with the shade Darlings. So I'm going to be using that as an highlighter. I'm applying that in my tear dot. And I'm also going to be using it to highlight my brow bones. So for my under lash line, I'm going to use the bold color that I used before. I'm just going to dip my brush into the colors, and I'll slip that around my lash line. And next, I'll just go ahead and fix my lashes. We're not gonna be doing any liner, drawing any liner today because we're at Fancia. I don't think that's important. So now I'll go again with my mascara to lift up my under lashes. So guys, for the finishing, I just went ahead and lined my lips, and I'm using the lips gloss from More Makeup Academy. And guys, do not forget to check the description box for all products and tools used. So this is a finished look, and I love this look, guys. It's just simple, it's easy. We got the smoking look from just 2 colors, and the look, it doesn't require much. It's just easy. I love it.
So guys, if you love this video, if you like this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think about the look and what you think about my channel. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.